Victor, I probably coming from the most oldest industry. So I'm from the ports and terminal. So the shipping that exists way 2,000 years ago. So it's not a very fancy industry. Having said that, our digitalization journey has started. By the way, we start in our inception back in years 2000, yeah, and we are 25 years old this year. And we started our journey of digitalizations, I think, back in 2018. The reason why I crafted the history, because of course we have a lot of digital works way before that. We have a lot of getting out of Microsoft or the system. The reason why we have 2018 that I put it as our digital journey began is all started with our first conversation with Ramco. So that is why I put it out, the digitalization, starting with the era, and then we put ourselves into 3 phases. Yeah. So we are now at the end of our digital journey, a digital era, whereby we turn all our manual process into all digital process. Digitalize it, electronize it, all the digital works. Then we come into 2023, 24, 25. We are now in the intelligent. So we talk about bringing in AI in and bringing the policies in. How do we be more efficient? Well, of course, the last phase is all the automations and how do we become a smart ports for ourselves. Yeah. But talking about the AI perspective, in PTP, we embark AI in the recent years. Like what our gentleman was just saying, we started our big data 2 years ago, whereby we started bringing all the data into a data lakes. Data is a goal, because without the data, all AI is crap, to be honest. Yeah, because I just want to be realistic check. What we did in our last 24 months is with one of our service provider, we work very closely with them, whereby we bring in our data about 700 terabytes. It's quite big. This is where we have it in our cloud center, and we built that one with our own AI agents, whereby we're starting to have that kind of intelligence in. Having said that from internal perspective, but just to share a little bit on how we partner with Ramco and all our service provider, in 2025, one of the ultimatums guideline that I give it to my team is to making sure any works that we do, we need to include AI in part of our equation. If you don't have it, we probably having a wrong partners. Yeah, because a lot of works have to be augmented with AI. We are looking into the way of breaking away the old way of working, looking at the new way of working. If you continue the way they use work and expect something different, it wouldn't work. So how we put it up now is that one is that we talk about cloud first, now we talk about AI first. So that is one of the policy that we put into our PTP. And nevertheless, there's a lot of strength in AI that we still at a very early stage. We are not saying we are the most fancy, but nevertheless, if you go into open up your Googles, you can check our port Tanjung Pelepas, very proud. We are the top 5 most efficient port in the entire planet. So that all achieved through the adoption of all the technology that we have, and all the digital works plus all the AI that come in. And with the God blessing, we continue to bring that forward, partner with Ramco with the right partners. AI is to empower and not overpower people.